Guys, the truck stop is like an airport. Look. Hi, this is Sophia, female trucker in Michigan. That's the subway. Is that subway? I'm not sure what it is. Look at these cool stuff. See, it's like an airport. You got all the souvenirs and all the cups. And then you got the food place. See, I'm enjoying myself out here. Thank you. Yeah, I'm enjoying myself. She says she loved the hair. The pink hair. Okay, so let me go outside to the truck now. This is going outside. The diesel. So that's where you get the gas. And I'm going to the parking area. So this is my life on the road as a trucker. Traveling, sightseeing, stopping at the shop, meeting people. Female trucker on the road. Big up Ace God Up G video coming soon.